So we're doing bush popcorn tonight in the hot tent. Got a pot here, 1.7 or 1.8 liter pot. It has to be a pot with a lid if you want to do this because you have to cover it, otherwise the oil is going to explode on you. Any oil will do, but the higher the smoke point, the better. So just fill your pot with enough oil to coat the entire bottom with like a, you can't see it because I'm tilting it, but you want the entire bottom to be well oiled, and all that oil is going to fry the kernels and also provide your kernels, your pop kernels, with like a bit of flavor, oily flavor, in lieu of butter. And that's all you need is oil, kernels, and if you want, salt or some kind of flavored popcorn powder. So heat up the oil first, get that really good and hot. Once you can drop a little bit of water in there and it sizzles, and then it's hot enough. The hotter that oil is, the better the popping is going to go. You want the popping to go rapidly. Alright, now that the oil's good and hot, I'm going to pour the kernels in, but as soon as I do that, I want to cover it right away, because if the oil's very hot, they can actually pop within seconds. So again, similar to the oil, I just want to put enough kernels to coat the bottom. You don't want to stack the kernels. Leave it there. And this is such a much better alternative to Jiffy Pop, which creates a terrible amount of landfill for one snack. You can do this at home too, on the stovetop, with just any old pot with a lid. Super easy. Alright, and when you hear that stoppage, that's when you want to pull it off, because like microwave popcorn, you can lose your entire batch by trying to pop those last few kernels. It'll just burn them all. So take it off right away and then just put salt on while it's hot, oily, and that's it. Couldn't be more simple. Oh, it's a good batch actually. You might burn it your first couple times, you might mess it up. Just wait for the oil to get good and hot.
Tastes like movie theater popcorn.
Yeah, that's good popcorn.